Good, wonderful morning, everybody. She's on the hunt for possums. She's checking out all the trees, see what's been going on overnight. That one she's not interested in because this sign's moving. She says, oh, it's rattling, Dad. Spooky. Yeah, they're doing more roadworks. Every year they do roadworks here. Because of the trees are so close to the road that they have to redo the edging. So they're just doing rocks. Traditional old rock guttering. And every year they have to redo it because the tree roots move. There's two doggies that live in that corner house. One's a puppy Aussie, and a American Staffy. Also, so we don't get much in the way of what the British call the XL bullies. I don't even know what an XL bully is. Is that like an English Staffy? They're pretty big. They're the size of a boxer. Can be even bigger than a boxer because I almost got one. The only thing is she was a big dog, but she was absolutely beautiful temperament. And there used to be a blue heeler living in this house, but son moved away. I think it was the son's dog, because one day I saw it on the back of a ute and I haven't seen him since. And he really loved her. All the boys love her. Anyway, we'll continue. We'll see you later. Here is a Toby. Hello, Toby. My friend's here. Oh, lots of kisses. Hello, baby. What have you had hiding over in this corner? Hey? What have you had hiding over in this corner? Oh my God. I want her so bad. I want her so bad. Alright, don't you? Oh, lovely kisses. Lovely girly kisses. Hey? Yeah? Big bowl of fluff. You're such a big bowl of fluff. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a big bowl of fluff. Yes, you are. Yes. I'll give you some attention.